Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from crypto.com to Ledger using the Nano X. So to get started with the easy workaround and the best method you can use to transfer Bitcoin from your crypto.com to Ledger Nano X. So to get started with that, the first thing to do, your first step is to sign up for Ledger Nano X. Then open the Ledger Live and install the Bitcoin app on your device and create a Bitcoin account. So tap the receive to get your Ledger Bitcoin address and verify it on the device. So when that is done, the next thing to do is to add Ledger address to crypto.com. So in the crypto.com app, go to account and click crypto wallet and click transfer, scroll down to withdrawal and click external wallet and paste your Ledger Bitcoin address and the whitelist. Then once that is done, wait for approval. Then to get that done, the new address on crypto.com requires 24-hour security delay before withdrawal. So after it's done, send a test amount. So withdraw a small amount of Bitcoin first to make sure the address works correctly to avoid losing of your fund. So once that is confirmed, you can now send a full amount. So once the test arrives in Ledger Live, withdraw the rest of your Bitcoin to the same address, and after that your Bitcoin will now be safely stored on your Ledger Nano X. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.